Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. This is issue 217, just landed, and let me show you what's inside the magazine. But first, what's included with the magazine. Here we have a stencil. It's called Fabulous Foliage. We also have some stamps, and that's really nice. You can see we've got a vase, we've got flowers, butterflies, greetings, and then again there is another stamp. So like one collection didn't work, they wanted to have more for you. So that's really nice. And let me show you. In fact, we've just really had some fun around here doing stamps with stencils or cutting dies with stencils, and I think it's a really good look. Isn't that pretty? And that of course is using the stencil that you're going to get. How pretty to have it with the different pastel colors. In fact, you'll see the step-by-step photos inside. Stylish stenciling is what they're calling it, and you can see very different looks with, of course, different ink pads. There is a download for papers and toppers, so that's nice to know, and you'll see that on page 9. Here we have some step-by-step of just how to do that with the tone-on-tone, and more ideas with the stencil. And here we go with even more. Now, this does have a little jar in it, and something they did not do, none of the designers did, and it might be that they don't have it over there in England, but we highly recommend the 3D crystal lacquer, because after you've stamped and everything is dry, you can squeeze this on or brush it on, let it dry, and it will look like glass. It will do a shiny, well, a lacquer look, and it's just an extra thing for you that will just really make these images pop. This is doing a faux letterpress on an inked image, and there you've got the steps. Isn't that just lovely? That was the front. And here we go, more right here. Wow, that's really a pop, turning that into the stencil into a sunflower. And here we go. This is some information about one of the product designers at Hunky Dory. So that's really nice to have her information and how long she's been there and what her process is. This is using the products that you get in the magazine and maybe taking them off the page. So doing a gift tag, maybe making some little baskets or boxes, gift wrap. Just more ideas. Here is turning it into a trinket box if you like. You could use a paper mache box, and just more ideas right there. So that's really always nice to get more ideas when you get the product. Now this is using the stamps again, using the stencil and the stamps. The stencil there is really more of a tone-on-tone. You'll see it when you get the magazine. You can see I love all the different examples that they're giving using that stencil in so many great ways with the stamps. So you can see right here doing it on just part of the card. That works nicely. And then we have back here doing some basic techniques for stamping. That's always helpful. So this is Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine, issue 217, with that wonderful 6x6 stencil and a great variety of stamps. All of this is in stock now and is exclusively here at paperwishes.com.